Jedi Masters! Today we're continuing our viewing party here of Star Wars Vision Season 3. And today is going to be all last episodes together. 7, 8, and 9. Yes, guys, we're going to see them all and react. So why don't you guys join me and let's get this adventure rolling. I cannot wait to see how they're going to end this season. So let's just do it. The Smuggler. Oof, Trigger presents. I like that.
The planet Xenorita.
Xenorita?
For many peaceful generations, it prospered under the rule of its kings.
Love it. Ooh.
The Empire, in its oppressive policies, the royal family began to question the state of the galaxy.
I would question it too.
Amidst the ensuing chaos, the royal family found themselves imprisoned for conspiracy against the Empire.
How so?
Was subsequently established, placing Xenorita directly under Imperial control.
Ay, yikes.
Only one member of the royalty was able to evade capture, Prince Arlo, and the Empire is now in relentless pursuit of him.
So I'm assuming they're really trying to find him. The prince. Is he the smuggler, maybe? Or maybe not. Okay, whose cantina is this? It's always about being in the corner.
The systems on my ship won't turn on, so what's the deal?
Yeah, of course they
You
won't.
got a female Han Solo here.
What? Hey, quit screwing around! Go unlock it right now!
Happy to. Just as soon as you pay for those
Ooh.
thrusters. So you get your ship back.
I already paid you.
That was the old price for parts and labor. It's twice that now.
Oh! Oh, you jerk.
You slimo!
Oh, wow.
Listen, Cheetah. I haven't sold you out to the Empire because I'm a nice guy.
Oh, really?
You seem to be in a bit of trouble there.
And you are?
Someone who may be of help to you depending on where this chat leads.
Oh?
So we can strike a deal. I overheard your conversation and would be more than willing to cover your shortfall up front.
A job, huh?
Yes. And 10,000 credits upon delivery.
Oh, wow.
2 people. And the destination is any system outside of Imperial control.
Yeah. Problems with the Empire?
Yes. Very much like your own.
Sounds like we're in the same boat.
Strike a deal.
It's a deal.
Deal.
Hmm?
Another Greedo?
Goes in! What are you
Oh,
doing?
goes in. Okay. Why are they there?
We have one more problem.
Another one?
I hate to break it to you, but my co-pilot just bailed on us.
I can take his place. Huh? I have a pilot's license, specifically for Republic cruisers. Might that be of any use?
Yeah.
Nice.
That'll work. You from Republic Cruisers?
This young man is an aspiring pilot, and he's the other person you'll be transporting.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
Hello. that's what you looked at him like, hello, how you doing? Oh boy, bounty hunter.
They're going out there and arresting everyone around your age. Anyone who looks like Prince Arlo. And you fit the bill.
Oh, you've got the wrong person. That's my son you're taking. How can he be the prince?
It's just a normal day for the Empire.
Yeah.
Hey! Why'd you push her?
Do not resist! Please!
Oh, ow, no, that's not very indicative of certain realities in this galaxy. Oh, snap. Whoa. Oh, I don't think so. Oh, snap. Oh. Oh. Now we're talking. I like that.
I can't believe my eyes. Prince Otto?
I am.
Oh, protect him at all costs.
Use this to get away!
Thanks a lot!
Go.
Let's go.
Hang on!
Whee.
We need to lead it away.
Respectfully, that's not smart.
I insist.
You say so.
Oh, you think he's dreamy? I see it.
Who the hell is that guy?
Unfortunately, it's a bounty hunter.
That's what I just said. It's a bounty hunter.
What's your plan?
We jump.
Jump?
Trust her. Ooh. Oh, snap. Oh, crud. Kevin being so protected. Man, she's got it going on.
He's mine. You're worth more alive. Why don't you just come along quietly?
I refuse.
Figures.
Things aren't looking too good right now.
Don't worry.
Both of you.
What's your plan?
We break through.
We break through?
Okay. She's a Jedi! Yeah! Oh, snap. Oh, whoa! Holy snap. Hot dang.
Where'd he go?
It would appear he fled.
Holy
Those explosions have likely alerted other troopers.
Yeah.
And we should go.
Let's go.
Did you see where she put her lightsaber? That's freaking awesome.
Oh, systems are good. You got
Wow.
It's an older model. Never flown one, but it'll do.
this? Tell her.
Oh, that's a nice ship. Let's go. We out of here. Oh, you biscuit.
Something's on our rear.
It's the bounty hunter who fled, I wager.
I don't think that will work.
But why not?
Because there's an Imperial Star Destroyer blocking our flight path.
What? How'd they find us so fast?
The
Oh.
bounty hunter undoubtedly alerted them.
Bantha tongue. All right. It's way too big to.
Bantha.
Missiles! They're locking on.
I know.
Ooh, calm down.
TIE fighters, incoming!
Okay, okay.
More missiles.
I'll put them to use.
Against the TIE fighters. Most excellent.
Full power to engines.
That's about two birds with one stone kind of situation. Don't get caught in the tractor beam.
Slow.
That was magnificent. That was magnificent. And I need to know what her name is because she's awesome. Are they on Yavin? They're on Yavin? Son of a biscuit.
Glenu, you're a Jedi, aren't you?
That's all in the past now.
The past?
On the day of that great betrayal.
I wasn't able to save my fellow Jedi. I would have shared their fate if not for the king.
From then on, I made a vow I would serve
Senorita instead of the Jedi Order. I had no choice but to unseal my saber when we escaped. So please.
Thank you for delaying her departure, Cleaner.
Besides, isn't it rather cold of you to leave without saying a word?
Oh, no, I wasn't trying to be cold or anything.
More to the point,
Ask her out already.
I actually have another job for you. Cheetah, I need you now more than ever.
Oh, snap.
I want you to come with us. I wish to liberate the youth of Xenorita.
So they can join the rebellion.
And for that, we need a skilled smuggler.
Girl, you know you like him.
Shall we go?
You got it.
I like that. See, this would be a live action series I would watch. I would totally watch that. I like the fact that it kind of like hid that she was a Jedi, because when they said like the Jedi was no more, I was like, that's a little suspicious on her expression there. And that's pretty cool, guys. This is a really good episode. Actually, so far I'm like, this is the one I'm liking the most. And that's a tough consideration with the Ronin. And I'm liking this episode the most. So far, this is my favorite right now. I love this episode. Oh, the Smuggler. Oh, I love it. And then we went to Yavin. Oh, there's just so much. I could say, but just watch the episode, guys. Just watch it because it was totally amazing. Okay, guys, so continuing this view party of episodes 7, 8, and 9, we're about to go with episode 8. And again, cannot wait to see how we're going to end this season. So episode 8 and then just one more, guys. One more. So let's get this party going with episode 8. So let's do it. Polygon Pictures presents The Bird of Paradise. If there's no bird in this episode, I'm going to be kind of ticked. Wow, okay.
You had me fooled.
Start off the bat with action. I like it.
How very un-Jedi-like of you.
Jedi like. Oh, go.
Master!
Nakime, your haste betrays you. Surrendering to the heat of emotion in battle. Focus on the precepts, Padawan.
Traverse all moments with a serenity of heart. I know.
Nakime, do not let emotion rule over you.
Okay, yeah, do not let emotion rule over you.
You're...
Depends on the situation, too.
Oh, what a burden.
Whoa.
Put her out of
This
her misery.
Sith looks, like, majorly ticked. Like, I like this look for the Sith. Oh my gosh. Listen to your master. Day 1, day of insolence, okay? It's like a diary kind of thing.
Idea where I am and I can't see anything. Why can't I? Master!
Because you went to fight without proper training and didn't listen to your master and now you're hurt.
If the Sith comes after me now, I'm dead. This is it. Wait, where's my lightsaber?
Use the Force.
What was that? A person? No, a statue.
Uh-huh.
Please help me, I beg of you. There's still so much I never got a chance to do.
It's a statue. How is a statue going to help you?
These lights, are they from you?
Go learn something. You're about to get a lesson.
This is a trick. I'm not okay with it.
Is this like a makeshift Jedi temple? Day 2, Day of Desire. I love this.
A river? No. Or a pond?
Sure. Oh, doesn't taste that well, does it?
Master! I'm right here! Please, I need you!
Nakime, trust in the Force and its energy, which binds all living things.
Don't
Exactly.
let me. I need something I can actually use!
You should not be a Jedi if you cannot handle it. Day 3, Indignation.
How long have I been walking for?
Thousands of years.
I can't. You're right. Can go on.
You can. Do it.
You would...
Use the strength and use the Force.
No mystery to an old tree like you. I thank you for that. That foul water!
That water was a little rancid, maybe?
The Jedi! They're here! Master! Can you hear my voice? Don't go!
Come on. Girl, get it together.
Why haven't they found me already? It's not fair! I'm the one who can't see anything! The darkness.
Don't go to the dark side.
Master! Did she strike you down? It's me.
Yeah.
Have I been dead all along? Stumbling through the world as a lost soul?
Uh-huh. Have you learned your lesson yet?
Shut up. I could find something to feed myself. It's only putting off the inevitable.
You have so much potential within you. Come on.
This was only a few months ago. I was so eager for what lay ahead.
I understood. Right.
The Sith! Oh, my poor little Padawan.
You can escape this in a blink of an eye, you know. All it will take to free yourself is surrendering to the emotions you try so hard to hide away.
Don't fall for it. Don't fall for it. Don't fall for it.
If you don't give in to them, you're going to die, and you wouldn't want that, would you?
Depends.
Submit and survive another day. Or perish as a Jedi failure.
I can't deny it.
Master told me over and over.
That I can't keep making decisions for my own benefit. Sense of self is my undoing.
Uh-huh.
It's easy to fall to the dark side.
You are getting it.
Join me, and I will set you free.
No.
You have done well to find me.
No, I just heard a voice and...
If you think your ears have grown more keen as of late, young one, then allow me to shoo away that wrong-headed belief at once. They're the same
Are you a frog?
flaps that they ever were.
Huh? No, I just thought I was getting used to losing my sight.
As you travel the path of knowledge, your connection to the Force grows stronger. Don't tell me you'd fail to notice. It is your heart that is blind. Let the Force guide you.
Force, show me the way.
No, not here. True vision flows from beyond the stars to part the veil of illusion. But you cannot partake of such clarity till you are one with the current.
With the current.
Ow! I'm freezing! What is this supposed to help me understand?
Girl, you got issues.
I want to live. As long as I have this, no one can defeat me. Good, you're learning. Silence, you evil phantom! Yeah, what's the matter? Come on, kill me if you even can!
Do you realize you're going to the dark side?
Why do you still cling to their lies? Do you fear me, little girl?
You hate
Oh boy.
me,
I fear you, and I despise you! You want to get out of here? Because you're a coward, huh?
Yes! I don't want to die here alone!
Oh! Is that so horrible? Now we're getting somewhere! Come on then, tear your life back from the edge of the abyss. Revel in the freedom of your hatred and your
No, don't.
your truest self! I don't get it. What hideous part of me are you?
Uh-huh.
My immaturity, my impulsiveness, my ego, and my fear of death.
Exactly.
I see. It's all connected. Kill me and you can live. Why don't you strike me down?
Why didn't you block my attack? Answer me!
The Jedi taught me their ways, but I never truly believed in them.
Uh-huh.
My heart, my resolve, my purpose was weak.
Yep.
That's why anything I feared became my foe.
I was flailing in a web of my own design.
Now I see the two of us were never foes to begin with. You're a part of me and I of you.
Exactly.
Have you been afraid of me too? Yes, Master.
Traverse all moments with a serenity of heart. I shall.
Do not let emotion rule over you. Death will terrify me no longer.
There you
If I
go.
should die, I will surely become one with the Force.
Yes, you will.
I would rather.
Rather lose my life than lose hope, like a Sith. It's all right. There's nothing to fear.
But fear itself.
No, I want to live. I can't die like this. This isn't fair.
I know because you're me.
Letting go is hard, and it's thanks to you that I can die as a Jedi.
Goodbye, my weakness.
It's time to move on. I'll always be with you, for you are a part of my soul.
Master's lesson.
I think I've finally taken it to heart. May I always be at one with the Force.
Wow, that's gorgeous. I don't know exactly how to react to this episode. I think it's a lot about that internal conflict that every Padawan or Jedi Knight or just Jedi in general have inside when they battle with everything that's good and everything that's bad. So it's about finding that balance. Yes, I said it. It's about finding that balance within yourself. And this episode really explained it in a magnificent, outstanding kind of way. And makes you take the lessons to heart. Alright, Jedi Masters, here we go with episode 9, the last episode of season 3 of Star Wars Visions, and let's see how they wrap up everything. And this episode is called Black. Don't know where that could lead. It could lead to so many things. So I'm just gonna, as always, dive right in. So join me. Let's watch this episode together, you beautiful little chihuahua. My little Jedi. Alright, guys, here we go. David Production, Black. Oh. Suddenly I was reminded of Speed Racer. I'm a little confused. Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh. Uh-huh. No words, no context, just action. Okay. What am I watching? I think I've seen two stormtroopers fighting each other, but I don't. One's in red, one's in green. Are they meant to be like? I'm kind of like, I'm stunned here into silence because I don't know what to make of this. What, it's the darkness kind of like what's gonna take over, like him losing his life. This poor stormtrooper or something. I don't. North Pass. North Pass. Is that what he said? North Pass. Okay. I'm really stunned into silence. I don't know what to say here. I literally don't know what to say, guys. What? Okay, well that's reminiscent of episode 4. You know, when Luke was down in those trenches trying to get his, like, you know, shot in. That's not the wrong. But, okay. What's with the music? What? Definite episode 4 vibes. Wait a minute. Episode 4, and I saw a little bit of episode 6. What do you think? Are you confused as much as I am? Look at that. Look at that. I still don't know if we're supposed to view this like if it's like definitely it's a stormtrooper's perspective per se, but is it like just kind of compounding all the feelings that all the stormtroopers have felt in all the movies about losing their existence? I don't get it. I mean, I maybe I do. I'm just not wrapping my brain around it yet. Hold hands. It's just like the, I don't know. Okay, we got some reminiscence of Empire here with Snow, Hoth. Maybe I'm overanalyzing it. I just can't seem to get a handle on what this, all of it is. I still don't understand what it is that I just watched in this episode 9. This was an all-out compilation. I don't even know if I said it right. This last episode is like mind-boggling to say the least. I don't understand this episode, and if somebody can explain it to me in the comments, please do so. I don't even know what to say about it. I mean, the animation, fabulous. I had a few moments where I couldn't look directly at the screen because, well, I can't see a lot of bright lights on screen, or I might have one of my things. But what in the world did I can't wrap my brain around it, guys. Help me out in the comments. Wow, they wanted to finish with a bang. They finished with a confused bang because I have no idea what just happened. Alright, guys. So this is the finality of me watching Star Wars Visions Season 3. All in all, totally amazing as the other seasons. Definitely giving these new voices their chance to demonstrate what they see Star Wars as was definitely it's definitely a step in the right direction as to just continuing Star Wars in all its glory. I wanted to let you guys that I will soon be reacting to Tales of the Underworld, which is another Star Wars series that I did not get a chance to do so back in May because for my master's I was, doing my finals, graduating and all that lovely stuff. And since I'm doing my PhD now, I guess I'm going to have limited time as well. But I wanted to say that Tales of the Underworld, there's 3 episodes about Ventress that I am definitely interested in watching and sharing with you guys. And then the other 3 episodes are about Cad Bane. And I just really want to get into that and totally watch that with you guys and keep enjoying our Star Wars content. Thank you so much for joining me on the Visions journey. Let me know in the comments what you guys thought about the entire season, but specifically this last episode because I'm still right here. My mind is going, ugh. Somebody tell me what I just watched. I beg of you. Alright guys, do not forget to like and subscribe. And as always, from my heart to yours, put some love out into the universe because we need it. Bye guys.